Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account, simple and easy. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it. Then when you have the launch menu over here, you want to head to the top and click on the gear icon, top right corner. After the gear icon is clicked, you want to find yourself to the account center over here. You want to click on the account center, and the next step will be simply heading towards account settings and choosing personal details. You click on personal details, and here you will find account ownership and control. Let's click on this and see what this gives us. Three options, ladies and gents. What we're going to focus in this part of the video will be deactivation or deletion of the account. Very important is that there is a major difference between both actions. Very particular and main difference between coming here to delete your Facebook account and doing the similar thing on Instagram is that here you could actually delete Facebook accounts, and Facebook associated Instagram pages. So essentially, when you click on deactivation or deletion, everyone will see different screen. If you have multiple Facebook accounts, well, you will have multiple accounts with the option to delete. If you have multiple Instagram pages, the Instagram pages will appear over here, and you could simply manually select which one do you want to delete or not. This is not available on IG. On Instagram, you can only delete one page at a time, and you cannot see how many pages are linked to this account. Very interesting and very handy. This means that in some way, if you lose your credentials for your IG page, but you still want to delete the page, you can simply come here on Facebook and delete the page through Facebook settings. Very important pro tip. In my opinion, no one else talks about this. Also guys, if you choose not to delete, you can simply deactivate your Facebook account. You can simply click deactivate, so your account will no longer be searchable in public. People will not be able to see your content. People will not be able to find your handle. So this is good if you try to hide yourself. Let's say you're on vacation or you have some do other business, so you want to temporarily suspend all the activity on your account. On the flip side, if you really want to quit the social media, well, you're most likely gonna go after the deletion. The deletion of the account, guys, works in the same way how the deletion of Instagram works. Meaning when you click delete, you have 30 days to go back and reactivate your account. If not, well, your account will be gone, your data will be gone, your files, your links, your messages, your tags, everything. So if you decide to delete, you want to make sure that you have all your files and data downloaded, including your content as well. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.